Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to increase mouse pointer speed in Windows 11. Right click on Windows Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Accessibility present at left side of the screen. Click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. Click on Mouse. In front of mouse pointer speed, drag the pointer to right. Now, your mouse pointer speed will increase. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And for more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And kindly hit the bell icon to get notification of our latest videos.